What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is going to be my July obsessions. This is the best in beauty and lifestyle for the whole entire month. If you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. I'm first going to start this month with some lifestyle items. I've been really enjoying these wireless headphones from the brand Sudio. These are in the style Tray. It even says that right up here. They're white with rose gold accents, which I really love. It even has a leather pouch which says Sudio, and it has the rose gold button hook that are very comfortable in your ear. They also have different attachable ear pieces. They're really easy just to kind of pop right in. I've had other types of headphones where after a little bit your earlobe will start to kind of throb just because you've had them in your ear for such a long time. With these, I wear them for a couple of hours, sometimes even like 6 hours. I have them in my ear and I have no problem. Battery lifetime of up to 9 hours. I believe it's 10 hours if it's on standby. 10 minutes to charge, but a full recharge I believe is about, I think it's about an hour. I love to use these, number one, for work purposes when I'm doing stuff on the computer and I don't want to disturb anybody else who's around me. Connect this via Bluetooth, which is very convenient. It also has a built-in microphone. I can receive the call through the headphones. Another really great thing about these headphones is that you can still hear your surroundings. Sound quality is excellent. The bass, everything is nice and crisp and clear. I'm gonna link them down below, as is with everything else I'm mentioning. They also were so generous to provide a coupon code. I'm gonna put it somewhere here on the screen as well as down below. It's from the brand FreeQ. It's basically a waterproof cell phone pouch. I've been using this very often this month whenever I go to Six Flags Hurricane Harbor. I've used it for a couple of years now and I've had no problem with it. I will normally throw in a couple of dollars in here, my debit card, my ID. I bring it with me when I go into the water. I'm able to record some videos, take some pictures with it. Only thing is that sometimes you kind of have to press down a little bit harder in order to get the home screen to unlock. This is something that I know I'm going to be using for the remainder of the summer. This concealer from the brand Too Faced. This is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I'm in the shade Natural Beige. You can basically conceal, contour, highlight, and it also says retouch with this concealer. It has a huge doe foot applicator, and let me swatch it so you guys can see the shade compared to my skin tone. I wanted something that would help brighten up the under eye area, but I didn't want it to be super bright. It's a nice and creamy formula, but it's not thick, it's not heavy. It just blends beautifully into the skin. It's also very hydrating underneath the eyes. I'm also wearing it today underneath the eyes, and I just have been really enjoying this concealer. I filmed a whole review and demo on this, which I'm going to link right up here in the card area. Peripera. This is a Korean brand. It's called the Blur Pang Peach Milk Blur Face Primer. It contains SPF 30 physical and chemical sunscreen. It smells like peaches. Whitish cast to it. Let me show you what it looks like. So it does have a bit of a whitish cast to it. I think you guys can see it right there. So that's something to take note of. You definitely want to maybe use a foundation or a powder that is a little bit darker than your skin tone, just so that it kind of combats that white cast. I use this when I go to the water park just alone as is. It just gives me this airbrushed look to my pores, which I really appreciate. My makeup sits so beautifully on this. I didn't need to use a separate primer, since technically this is like a moisturizer, an SPF, and a face primer all in one. It is a really great product. It is now available at CVS. This next item, I have been playing around with it for the past 2.5 weeks, and I love this palette so much. A lot of you were asking me what eyeshadows I was wearing in this video, which this is another item I've been absolutely loving, but I'll talk about next month. But I filmed a whole review and demo on it. I'm going to link it up here in the card area. The shadows I was wearing in that video, and there will be a full makeup tutorial on it, which will go up tomorrow on Monday. It is also the makeup that I'm wearing today, so hopefully I was able to recreate the look as close as possible to the other video. This palette from the brand Milani Cosmetics. This is their their Gilded Desires eyeshadow or face and eyeshadow palette. A huge full-size mirror at the top. It contains 6 metallic shimmer shadows as well as 6 matte eyeshadows, and then you have 2 face highlighters down here at the bottom. These shadows are so buttery, bit of fallout, but they're very pigmented. These metallic shadows, I think I mentioned it last week, Sunday Faves video, that the best way how to apply this is with your finger. Just tap it right onto the lid, and that's the best way to get the most color payoff. My favorite highlighter is this one down here called, I always forget the name, Highlight of the Day, and it's this beautiful, just like a champagne colored highlight, which is absolutely stunning. It does say it's limited edition and it's an exclusive to Ulta Beauty, so if you guys are interested in this, I would definitely check it out at your local Ulta if they don't have it there, because I think the display, they only have slots for I think 4 or 6 of these palettes. I know you can still get it online. I did receive this in my July BoxyCharm. I've been obsessed with this brow product. It's from the brand Chella, Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I am also wearing it today. It has an angled brush on one end, which also did take me a bit of time to get used to because it's not a very dense brush, so you have to get used to it. And then on the other side, you have the brow cream, similar to a pomade, but it's a little bit drier. I like the tone of this because it's on the cooler side. Once I started really playing around with this product, I found that it's really easy to work with, although it does set quite quickly, so that's something to take note of. I feel like my brows look a little bit more natural, even though they aren't natural, because I have very sparse brow hairs, but I've been really enjoying this, and I love how it's just all in one. You can just throw this in your purse. I rediscovered it in my collection. It's from the brand Essie. This is in the shade called Boxer Shorts. Periwinkle blue. It's in between a blue and a purple mixed together, and it just pops, especially now for summer. It's just one of those colors that really stands out. Alright love, so that's everything I wanted to share with you from my July obsessions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment below. Let me know some of your obsessions for the month. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you guys smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Make sure you guys come back tomorrow for a brand new video, which will be on this makeup, where I tried to recreate the look from my past couple of videos. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.